For coarse hair, standard waxing rules don't apply. They lead to breakage, irritation, and missed roots. Today, we are establishing the professional precision protocol for thick hair, the exact science behind a flawless one-pass pull. Coarse hair is defined by its deep terminal roots and thicker diameter, requiring a specific mechanical approach. To remove it without snapping, you need a high polymer wax that shrink wraps the follicle, providing a superior grip. Preparation is the foundation. We begin with a mechanical exfoliation 24 hours prior to lift trapped hairs. Follow with a light barrier oil. This ensures the wax adheres only to the hair, protecting the skin's integrity. Temperature control is critical. Too cold, and it won't encase the root. Too hot, and you risk lifting the skin. The secret is in the pressure. You must drive the wax into the hairbed to ensure every single strand is encased. We create a reinforced lip at the edge, providing a secure anchor point for a controlled, high-velocity removal. Skin tension is non-negotiable. Without it, the pull causes trauma. Always pull the skin taut to stabilize the area. The removal must be parallel to the skin, never upward. This high-velocity motion ensures the root is lifted, not snapped. Apply immediate pressure. Applying firm pressure immediately afterwards can help reduce discomfort by calming the area's pain response. A successful protocol aims for minimal breakage. The hair should be removed with the root bulb intact, visible on the strip. We finish with a clinical-grade cooling serum to soothe the skin and help reduce post-wax irritation. This is the standard for coarse hair waxing. Follow this protocol for professional, glass-smooth results.